Now let's start with some Parisian cafe recommendations. Hi, this is Madhurika, and as you know, Paris is a hub for coffee culture. Almost every places look very aesthetic, and now because of the internet, there are many places which is hyped and trending. So I tried a few of them. Some of them were the Instagram famous, and some of them is recommended by my local friends. So here's the video about it. So the first one is Sevenly Hearts. Now this place is almost all over the internet, especially because of this big heart which is there on the wall. Actually in the Le Marais region, and you would not really know until you are on the place because it just blends in with the buildings over there. Everyone I know, all the influencers, has the picture with this heart of this cafe. So apparently even I went there and got one.
But apart from that, every single corner of the cafe was straight out of Pinterest. Like, I've never seen a cafe like this, which is so detailed, unique with its antiques that was placed, but not very overwhelming as well. It was silent and something on which you can enjoy the space, enjoy the calm that it brings in. Even the table which is placed over there, and you feel very cozy as soon as you enter when you have a drink. It's a great place to visit to experience something new, but very high price. So I guess the price is just for the space that you are there, but not really for the drinks. And this was the washroom, which was also mirrored, again very detailed.
So we tried this cafe which is called 70 Hearts, and apart from the whole cafe was great, the whole aesthetic, and it's a very Instagram famous cafe that I feel one should visit, but I think it's only for the pictures because I wouldn't recommend the matcha that I had here. It wasn't up to the mark. Speciality is the red velvet drink, which I think I'll recommend because it was something very unique that I haven't tried it, and it wasn't that sweet as well. So just for that drink you can come, but not for the matcha. But yeah. A little review that I did in Paris after visiting this cafe. Now there's one thing that I've noticed about Parisian coffee places which is so different from Mumbai. It's just that they only have like the beverages and drink options, and along with that is just some pastry and only two options, but not more than that. Whereas in India we have, like in Mumbai, all the coffee places that I go has like variety of vignoserie and pastries and everything, and also some places offer breakfast option, which was very rare to find in the Parisian cafe. So the cafe culture is actually enjoyed by going and drinking coffees and not food. Next one, which is not very far from Sevenly Heaven in the Le Marais region, is Cafe Artisan. This was the ultimate local place, and assuming that they must have like a good matcha as well, seen from their artisanal coffees. But the one that I tried was cappuccino, which was super strong. So there's another thing about Parisian cafes, is they make their every coffee very strong. Even cappuccino, there's always super strong like an espresso. So that's something you can keep in mind. So this is the second cafe we tried in Paris, which is called Partisia, more like Parisian or Artisia. They are famous for artisanal coffee, and it's true because it was very strong cappuccino that we had, and they have like a lot of artisanal coffees. Highly recommended. This is something that my friend recommended. She's a Parisian, and it has that Parisian vibe with a lot of locals around and good sitting place, a place to actually visit for good coffee and good ambience as well. But this was something like a local place, and it's huge. on a square, so highly recommended. But again, here you'll only find coffees, like specialty of different kinds of coffee, Italian blend, matchas or lattes, but not something to eat rather than just two pastries which you'll get. The last one, the famous one, is Cafe Kitsume. Now this place is trending on the internet, but for the right reasons as well. It's like a brand which is there all across Paris, so it doesn't really have one branch but like multiple branches. The one that I went to was next to Louvre and Grand Palais. This branch is big. This branch is of complete 2 floors, and here you can find different kind of beverages that you can order. Along with it, there were sorbet options and also breakfast. So here I saw many tables which ordered like different kind of breakfast, like pancakes or eggs or even sandwiches, which you can do, like you can have like a good breakfast or a good lunch over here in Cafe Kitsume. Or it's great for takeaway as well, because their quantity size was like huge, very huge, something which was not expected at all. And their taste for the matcha that I tried was also like perfect. It wasn't that strong but wasn't that light as well, and just the quantity, it really won my heart over there. So matcha latte and hot chocolate. Yeah. Thank you. Cafe Kitsume.
Madhurika, what are you having?
Matcha latte.
Where exactly?
In Cafe Kitsume. It's like a very famous Parisian cafe.
How do you know about this cafe?
I researched and it's all over the internet.
Is it Emily in Paris location cafe?
No.
Oh.
It's Instagram location. Let's try.
Do you love Instagram? How is it?
Very
Good.
authentic.
Yeah.
How is it for you? Hot chocolate is very bad. How is it for you?
How's
What did
it
you
for
try?
you?
So I've got a cappuccino and some sort of
Dessert.
ओके
What are you
इसका
trying?
नाम क्या है? ये अच्छी लग रही है
This is hot chocolate inside.
Hot chocolate.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice.
That was it about the cafe culture. Some of the cafes or coffee shops that I recommend from Paris. I'm soon going to make a matcha video as well, so leave it in the comments if you'd like to see, or if you have come this far and you've watched it. So that was it. These were some of the cafe recommendation of Paris. If you have any more of them, do leave it in the comments down below, and do not forget to check the description box, because you might find a cafe which I didn't showcase in this video, but it is in the description and which can be of your taste. Thanks for watching. Bisous bisous. Ciao.